Hello everyone. It's been a while since I've done an update on the B9 robot arm build, but quite frankly, there hasn't been really much to update as I became quite flustered with things not working. What I've got here is a Sabertooth 32 amp dual motor driver card with what's called a kangaroo board attached to that. What that does is allows for limit switches, potentiometers for position control and feedback. So everything can be set to where this thing will work. But I haven't been able to get it to tune. You're supposed to be able to tune this thing so it will know the position when the arm's retracted, when the arm is forward, when the elbow is centered, when the elbow's up and down, so on. I haven't been able to get a successful tune except for maybe one time, but then things went haywire from there. So I've been pulling my hair out with whatever I've got left. But what happened is I can control the motor with this slider, and as you can see, and it's perfect. I can bring it back, let's say in the middle. There's somewhere there. And then I can bring it back. I can hit the home, return home, and it'll go back to its home position. Now, as you can see with some of the mess, I've been working on other electronics for other things. And working on this was the fact that we have, let me see here, let me bring this up. As you can see here, I was working on another schematic for another project that I was doing. And I needed a limit switch, and you can add whatever you want in here. Like here's a limit switch. Now I can drag that over into this project. And what I noticed was that it kept adding right there a 10K ohm resistor every time I would add a limit switch into here. Now, nowhere in the documentation, in the 500-page book of instructions for this Kangaroo and Sabertooth, was there any mention of adding a 10K ohm resistor into the limit switch circuit. Nowhere on any videos. I've watched lots of videos on other people doing similar projects with this, and hours of talking to Dimension Engineering, the makers of this. I've tried shielded wire, I've tried everything, but right there, just temporarily added a 10K ohm resistor. So, just like that, we now have a working arm. At least the in and out. Now this elbow here, I have a potentiometer right back in here, and it has a stylus that runs on this potentiometer for position feedback. Now, when I try to tune the elbow, I would get the same error. Cannot see the potentiometer, blah, 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 blah. Now, my guess is I'll have to add a 10K ohm resistor in that circuit also in order to get it work. We'll see what happens then. Okay, well, I'll keep you updated and see where we can go from here. Thanks for watching.